That looks like a buoy.
Buoy.
A little buoy.
Buoy. Look, Dad.
Did you break that other one?
I fixed it.
You look like you broke it. Look at me.
It been broke.
Did you break that?
No.
Tell me the truth.
I broke it, and then I fixed it. But it was like that when I came over here.
It was like that when you came over here? Jason, you want some of these? Want some of
Little
these?
ones.
Would that fit you?
No, only little ones will.
Little ones?
Daddy, look. Dad, walkie, 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 walk, 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 walkie, 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 walk.
Come this way. Let's see. Get out here.
Daddy, look. I'm a fish. I'm a fish.
Those little hooks with eyes on them.
This is a. Oh, big! You can catch Bigfoot.
What?
You can catch big fish like this one.
Big fish or Bigfoot?
Big fish.
Big fish?
You could
But you
catch
said Bigfoot.
it. Big
You meant big fish?
Yeah, big fish.
Big fish?
Fish.
I don't think you can catch Bigfoot with that thing.
Oh, no. I think we did a long, big one.
What's that? Looks like little fish with hooks on them, huh? Oh, look, this one looks like crawfish. Look. They look like little crawfish.
I want to show me Uncle Richard. Uncle Richard. Uncle Richard.
He found you a lure.
No, it's a crawfish.
Chill.
Look at this back.
We're gonna go scare him. What's up, guys? It is a wonderful Sunday morning, and it's about 5:20. I don't know if y'all can see that right there, but I'm on my way to pick up my dad and my brother, and we are gonna go fishing. We're gonna go surf fishing today. We're gonna go to the beach and relax all day long and just fish. We do this every now and then. It's wonderful. I love doing it. Not only get in the water and go fishing, but give me a chance to cool off. But it's also a good time to sit and just visit and socialize with your family, all day long. Just relax. I haven't had a good relaxing day in a while. Me and the wife did have a small date yesterday. I didn't want to film that because it's just me and the wife. We haven't had a date in a while, so it's kind of hard when you got 5 kids. So yeah, that was fun. We went and saw The Fate of the Furious. Great movie. Can't wait till I get to own that one on DVD or buy it via internet. But yeah, I just wanted to talk to y'all this morning and just let y'all know what we're doing today. Gonna have a great day. I'll film throughout the day. My son helped me buy some lures and stuff yesterday, and I'll put that in there probably at the very beginning of this video. And if y'all like this video, just, you know, do me a favor and hit the thumbs up button, share it, you know, smash the hell out of that like button. That's what I like. Comments, I love reading y'all's comments, good and bad. I've had a couple bad ones, but you know what, it doesn't bother me. I don't care what other people think. All I care, like I said in my other videos, is to get my content out there and let y'all enjoy it. And you know, and I love listening, seeing y'all's feedback and reading y'all's comments. So yeah, and if you do me a favor, if you haven't already, just hit that subscribe button down below. It lets me know that y'all care, and I'll be putting more videos up there as quick as I can. So I'm doing a little better at trying to get these videos out and producing more and more for y'all. But yeah, just hit that like button, share, comment, and subscribe. So I'm gonna put this down because I need to drive. So anyway, we'll come at you in a little bit. Out here fishing for a couple hours. Really haven't caught anything. Little stingrays, some hardhead. I'm gonna be out here a couple more hours and go home, but I just wanted to keep an update with y'all. So if you like this video, still go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't. Do a little bit more fishing, and I'll get back to you later. Fishing, and it's about 8:30, so we didn't really catch too much of anything, and caught a little stingray, a couple hardhead catfish, but I guess the reds just wasn't running that today. So but I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. Oh, by the way, I've got one of these shirts. These are one of the new shirts that I've been making. So if you know, you like the shirts, you know, let me know. Put the comments down below. I'm gonna start hopefully selling some in the next few months. I'm almost done with them. I got many different colors. This is the only this is a double print, but it's just gonna be this one single print like this. I got multiple colors. I'm gonna have another design soon. I'm working on it. But yeah, if you like it, just, you know, give me a thumbs up, comment in the down below. If you like this video, also hit that like button, tell me that you liked it. If not, tell me you didn't. I mean, like I said, I don't mind reading the comments, good or bad. It gives me something to improve on. If you do like it, you know, do me a favor and share it. And if you want to subscribe to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I'll greatly appreciate it. And I'll usually, everybody who comments, I'll look at their channel as well. And I'm just like y'all. If I like your content, I'll be hitting that like button and also subscribing to y'all. So you know, it can work both ways, sub for sub. I don't really like doing that, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. And if you like my content, you can subscribe, and if I like yours, I'll subscribe. Easy as that. But yeah, thank you for sticking this through the video this long. I'm just got another camera. It's better than the phone that I'm using. But yeah, like I said, thanks for tuning in and watching, and I'll see you next time. Later.